So many fun stories. Our hygienist, Carol Gent, tells a fun story about bleaching the teeth on a young woman who had dark tetracycline teeth. Tetracycline can be very disfiguring. And yes, it's difficult to bleach out. It many times takes months, and sometimes with tetracycline you have to bleach even all night or multiple hours a day. You have to bleach for weeks before you even see a change. Sometimes you don't see any change until 6 weeks into it because the color is so deep in the dentin. But it's so disfiguring, and people who have it because of taking tetracycline as a child when their teeth were forming, they're very self-conscious of it. Well, Carol tells a story about bleaching the dark tetracycline teeth on a young woman, 28, 30 years old, somewhere in there. And it changed her life. Carol got a call from the husband. Carol was talking to the husband, and he just had to express his gratitude for how much this has meant to their marriage. He said, Carol, whenever I wanted to go out to dinner, or to take my lovely bride dancing, she wanted to stay home. I wanted to go out. She wanted to stay home. Since her teeth have been bleached, it's changed our relationship totally. My folks have even noticed how much more open and friendly and bubbly she is to them. She's seen this as a defect in her, perchance even feeling substandard or something. He says, I can't thank you enough. It's changed our marriage. Well, about 5 years later, there was a call that came into our customer service. And as I recall, it was a hygienist. And she was asking if opalescence could bleach tetracycline. The customer service person had heard Carol's story and started reiterating it. And all at once, on the other side of the line, the hygienist was choking up. And she could even hear some early signs of crying. She says, that's exactly what I'm living. I'm calling you because the patient is my husband. You see, I want to go dancing. He wants to stay home. I want to go out. He wants to stay home. Helping someone feel good about smiling. It's good. There's nothing bad about it. It's good.